Hey guys, we are here in Thailand. It's our first day and we just arrived today. We're excited to go out. I'm so excited to get the massage. We are actually staying here in Marriott Executive Apartment in Bangkok. Now it's already 8:30 p.m. and we're excited to see and experience Bangkok all over again.
Thank you. I will take 500.
Getting street food. Yeah. This is the happening in Salading Street tonight. It's Friday night. Hearing Don Quixote.
Don Quixote.
Good morning, guys.
Okay, good morning.
We're up
Day-
early.
Day
He's
two.
up early.
It's day 2.
It's Saturday. It's July 5. It's raining outside. We're up super early to eat our breakfast. This is our breakfast. I like the dumplings, the sausage, fried rice,
We got the pad thai, the rice, potato, and omelet.
omelette. I'm waiting for my sunny side up. And this is the thin noodles. How's it? Good? Good morning, guys. This is the view today. The rain just stopped. And hopefully it won't rain again.
Right here, see look. How to clean your sponge. How often should you change your kitchens? Interesting.
How comfortable are you in that bed? We like watching documentary series like this. Hello. Lots of massage places. Food market. Lots of street food. Last night we ate one sausage. Walking back, so we could go to the salon appointment now. It's just right across the street, so we walk all the way to the end, and there's a lot of cafes and eateries
Right there.
Yep, so we have to like cross the ped. There's a pedestrian right there. There's an exchange place here. And we will be here. Nice place. Good morning. Here in the spa. Enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it very much.
We
Was it
finished.
captain's? Want to purchase the MRT station? The Sathorn station?
Look, this is so cool. Like the bus stop shoulder here has a Wi-Fi. So you can connect to the internet, especially if you get lost and you would like to, you know, check your location. That's the bus stop. How come Thailand Wi-Fi is amazing? Fast, unlimited, cheap. Hello guys, we are now here in Saladeng metro station on our way to going to Chatuchak Market. It's super humid, so I'm already sweating. This is how it looks like over here. Every day we're gonna be walking 20 to 30 minutes from our hotel going to the metro station. That's how far it is. So we're gonna buy the talk and going to watch it.
Requested not to wear back ผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบ